Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, taking you guys along with me, let's make this beautiful and yummy bread. Okay, this is not your regular bread. This one is homemade. Yeah, homemade from home. Do you get? So these are my ingredients. There's nutmeg, powder, milk, and what is it called, baking powder, sugar, and salt. So first of all, I just blend everything together. So this is my baking powder, which is yeast. This one is yeast. Okay, so I just blend everything together and all that. So the nutmeg, I'm putting it inside the flour, and then after mixing together, I just put these things together and massage it, as in since I do not have the machine that I can use it to do. Okay, there's my butter. Okay, so after massaging it, I now use my butter to rub it and all that. See me now. Like at this point in this time, like I was so tired, my shoulder was paining me because of this thing. So I left it for about even like more than 1 hour though, because I was doing other things. I already used butter to rub my pan. Okay, so guys, let me know if you're going to try this, because like I'll be craving for bread, like homemade bread, or not all those ones you normally buy. This one, no. So this is me just sharing these things so that I know how many I'm going to do, definitely, and all that. So I've already done some parts. I'm just using my hand to do this thing. Okay, roll it and put it like that. Well, I wanted to put the whole bread in the pan like that. I think that should be in another video. When next I do something like that, I'll just put the whole flour on the pan. It should just be normal bread. Okay, but this one, I cut it like this because this one, you can easily take it to work. Like, do you understand? It just look like short bread. I don't know the way I'm going to put it so that you can understand. This thing really tastes really nice. Okay, so after then, I cover it for like about 20 minutes again so that this thing will rise. Okay, so after that, I proceed in making other snacks. That was it. This is the snacks that I made. I did egg roll and all that. So guys, this is what this thing looks like. I put egg on top of this bread. Okay, so this is what it looks like. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Yes, this is what the done of the bread looks like. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, guys. See, if you want me to come to your house to come and share with you, I'm coming on my way, because this thing actually tastes really nice. I didn't know that I can do something like this. Oh, this is me using my drink to set it down. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you on my next one. Ciao.